Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cutest Crochet. Today I am bringing for you beautiful cardigan, hand crochet preps with handmade embroidery, beautiful jackets, beautiful blouses, and open work stitches, before beautiful alternate blouse style with different bright and soft colors, skirts and blouse set, beautiful combination of different colors with softened touch, elegant styles with large floral embroidery with crochet, different necklines. Neckline designs are very beautiful brooches with beautiful beads work, different styles of crochet outfits. I hope you like my video. Subscribe my channel and comment on my videos. Give me feedback if you like. These are designs or inspiration and ideas for creating or playing with crochet art. Beautiful cardigan, long slits, jumpsuits with mini jackets, different stitches of crochet, different patterns, long slit with soft and dark, others combination. So beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a wow collection of crochet art. Please subscribe my channel. I request you again and again, and have a nice day watching the video till the end.